Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. And in this video, we are going to explore Google Earth Studio. It's very basics, and after in the next videos, I will tell you how to do tracking in Google Earth Studio and how to do root animations and insert images and everything like that. So for this video, we are going to explore Google Earth Studio. We have to You have to make a account first. I have already made an account with Google Earth Studio, so I'm going to start right here. When you enter in the Google Earth Studio, you will see this kind of window. The first thing you are going to do is to do project settings. In project settings, you can see the dimensions, and it's 1920 1080 landscape version right now. Duration you can set according to your needs. I'm taking the duration equal to 10 seconds, and the frame rate, the best results you get at 60 fps, but it's a little bit slower. I normally use 60 fps because it gives smooth transitions and smooth frame rate. So there are pre-built uh, quick starts in Google Earth Studio, and they are very helpful if you are a beginner. So I'm going to try zoom to these 1 2 3 4 5. I am going to try these 5 quick starts, and I will tell you the techniques that I use professionally to make my videos. And let's try zoom to. When I click file new zoom to, this window pops up. So I have to search to set your point of interest. Here I have to write the place for which I want zoom in. For example, I write Eiffel Tower. Yeah, it was here. Eiffel Tower. So it will take me to the Eiffel Tower, and here by pressing the middle mouse button, I can set its view whichever angle I want. For example, I like it here. You can zoom in and zoom out too. For example, I like it here. You will press the next button. Here you have to mention the starting altitude. For example, if you want to the zoom in to start from the globe view, you can set it here. If you want a country view or straight view, you can start it from here. I'm going to start it from the globe view. I'll have to press next. It's giving me a smooth transition like this. But sometimes if it gives you glitches, like for example, Eiffel Tower, and I'm taking this way, this angle. For example, let's go. It's going to give me a rotate view around. But if it gives you a glitch, like the animation starts and it gives you glitch, and you can easily fix that by going back and just adjusting the angle a little bit, and just leave it there. It will automatically adjust the earth view. See the glitches here now. The glitch is here. Sometimes it gives you glitch like this, sometimes it gives you glitch in the zoom in part. Let's do it all over. If this happens to you, you can start over from file, new, zoom to. Here I will write Eiffel Tower. For example, if I take this view, let's see what kind of starting altitude is Earth, globe view. Yeah, you see, it gives you glitch like this. Sometimes that's why I go back and just make it all over again, because I wanted to show you this glitch and how to fix it. See, it turns very fast to adjust the angle. Um, the reason why it happens is because of camera target. I will tell you about this in detail when we go deeper, but this is just for basic. So you can easily fix this by going back, and adjust this angle by pressing the middle mouse button a little bit and adjust this angle a little bit. Just move it a little bit, and then press next, then press next. Okay, I'll have to try one more time. Just adjust this angle. Let's see. Yeah, it's giving this glitch because of camera target. So it's better to adjust the adjust your location according to your north, according to the automatically adjusted view of tower. Like, let's see, for example, like this, I want this view. I will press, and again it's giving me that glitch. Let's start from start again, and I hope this will work. Just press next, adjust the starting altitude, then press. Yep, it's giving now a smooth transition. I wanted it to give some glitch so I can fix it in this video, but it didn't give me any. So that's how you can make a zoom in transition. Press next. You can adjust the duration here. For example, if I want it smoother, so I increase the duration up to 10 seconds. Press OK. It will give me this kind of window here. Here what I do, this in the preferences, this is 30 fps video. So for more smoother transition, I change this fps settings to 60 fps. Let's click on project settings, file, project settings, and in the frame rate I change it to 60 fps. Press done, and now you can render your animation. See, this is more like smoother zoom in video. You can use this video as your property introduction in your presentations. For saving, for exporting this file, you just have to like go to render, you will see this video. You can place this Google Earth logo anywhere you want. If you want to remove this Google Earth logo, already made a video for that. You can see the video in the channel. And in this settings, sometimes we use image sequence, but I normally don't use image sequence because it takes a lot of time, and also it doesn't let me close this window or even minimize this, so I prefer the video. But it's only 10,000 frames per day, so for 10,000 frames per day I can use this is only 600 frames, so I can make like 15 videos like this for free. But if you have more work, then you can use multiple Gmail IDs and make multiple accounts, and you can render it from there. It's free, totally free. So the frames is 0 to 600, dimensions 1920 1080. You can change the dimensions from here. For example, if I wanted it in 4K, so I will change it to 38 40 21 60. This will be rendered in 4K, then it will give me more better graphics. And if you want it like 1080, it will give me a square view like you use for Instagram videos. So you can change it from here to the dimensions of video 1920 to 1080. This is the landscape. Yeah, this is the, I think, attribution position. This is the logo position. I will tell you about this advanced 3D tracking data and coordinate space later, because it will involve tracking and making tracking points. Then is the map style, clean, texture quality high. If you want like things of the maps to show, like for example boundary lines, places, you can click on everything and it will give you in rendering. After rendering it won't be that big. These names of the countries and dimension lines, it won't be that big and visible. I don't know if it's a glitch. I normally render it clean and then add the word whatever I want in After Effects. So I have more control on colors, graphics and everything. Then you just have to submit. Click on submit, and animations, cloud renders, you can check your animation. Like here your animation is queued and it's rendering. After like few minutes it will be rendered and it will be like this, delivered, ready to download. You just have to click this and download your animation. I think that's it for this video. Or we can continue if you want, like it will be a long video then, but we can continue from here. Let's try point to point. I'm going to go over this quickly now. In point to point you have to choose two locations. For example, first location is this Eiffel Tower. For example, this will be my starting point, and after you can choose any other monument to any other property, any other country. For example, I want this building. I want to show it point to point from Eiffel Tower to this building. So my angle will be like this or this, whatever you want. For example, I want this angle. Okay. Now it's showing me like it will stay for 2 seconds at the first point, and in 5 seconds it will animate from one point to another. And in you see, sometimes these pre-made things, these pre-made quick starts, sometimes it works good, sometimes it gives you glitches. So you have to learn it both ways, like you have to learn it manually too. So you can do it by yourself. You can increase its duration. And let me if you want me to teach you how to make it manually, I can do that too. Let's see how this. So it's coming like this. Okay. If I want to make it manually, let's do let's take a blank project. Our project is ready, the zoom in part. If I want to make it manually, I will take the blank project. The blank project will be like this. I will go to project settings. For example, I need 10 seconds is fine, 1920 everything is good. Okay, so I will take first point, for example, first Eiffel Tower. I will adjust it. Firstly, let me just close this map style, clean this map style to clean. And my first point is this. Okay, Eiffel Tower. I will click here, keyframe all attributes. So it will keyframe all the attributes. In attributes, you can see camera position, which is longitude, latitude, altitude. Second is camera rotation, pan and tilt. You can add one more. You have to add one more, which is camera target. Here we have camera target, field of view, time of day, clouds, ocean overlay, 3D buildings, roll. I'm going to select camera target and click on done. So here you can see, let me enable the center mark guides, show guides. Here you can see your camera target is here. So here I will click on all attributes. Now you can see the camera target, camera position, all the attributes are keyframed. For example, I want it to stay for 1 second, so I will go to 1 second. I need the same frame for 1 second. I will click here and it will give me one more set of keyframes. Okay, it's not moving, it's just static. So in like 9 seconds, I want to go to another point, for example this stadium. Okay, this stadium. I will set the view. Just right click on this center button, center guide. Right click on center guide and click on set camera target. You see this, it is giving me this kind of window. Now you have to click on keyframe all attributes and it's fixed now. You can see it's moving like this right now. Okay, it's just going from here to here. But what I want is to zoom out and then zoom in to this point, because if these places are far away, like in other countries, so you have to zoom in, zoom out, and then zoom into the next place. So I will find the center of this. How many seconds are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 seconds. So 4 will be the center. 1 2 3 4. So this will be my center. What I will do is I will go to camera position and I will increase its altitude up to the point so that I can view those both points, like the stadium and the Eiffel Tower. Let's see how this is. Yeah, stadium is here. Yes. So this is the stadium. This is the stadium. Here we have the Eiffel Tower. I can like this. So the stadium is here. Eiffel Tower is here. It's kind of here. So let me. Yep. I'm going to select all the keyframes of the end and right click and ease in, so it will give me more smoother transition. So it's like this, zoom out and zoom in. But there is one more addition to it. For example, if I want this camera target to zoom when I am zooming out from Eiffel Tower, I want it to be in the center, like here, center, then move to towards the next point, then zoom into the next point. So for that, you will see what I'm talking about in a minute. So just go to the center of these keyframes. This is the center. Here, write down this or remember this altitude, 17,352. Okay. Copy the previous keyframes, Control C, and then Control V. Here you just have to change 17 altitude, 17,352. I just changed the altitude. Now you have to go here, click and copy all of these keyframes and then Control V. For the first time it will paste it like in front of it, because it's not pasting it in back. It's kind of some, I don't know, it's some kind of glitch or something. Click on, just press Control Z, copy them again, click here and Control V. Yeah, I forgot to remember the altitude at this point, so Control Z, 18,849, Control V, 18,849. Okay, now click on altitude. It will give you a graph view kind of thing, that is like curve view or something. Yeah, you can see, you can click on here and unlink handle and auto ease and something. You can adjust these handles. See, I adjusted it, so it gives me a smooth zoom out and a smooth altitude movement. Also you have to do it right here too. Right click on, if it's giving you a message of link handles, then click on link handles. You have to link these handles. Okay, now you can remove the center part. You can remove the center, press delete. Now go to altitude again and check if it's stable and if it's smooth. So you can see the camera target is now like this. Now it's going to start moving and move towards the next point and then zoom in. Yeah, so my animation here is complete. In the last, I can make another set of keyframes, like it will stop for 1 second in the last, as it was still or stopped for 1 second in the starting. So it will be, the animation will be like this. You can see the animation: 1 second stop, zoom out, move towards the, yeah, oh yeah, if it gives you this kind of glitch, you see, this is just a glitch of camera target. You can easily fix this glitch. Let me see if it gives you, yeah, it's giving me glitch. You can easily fix this glitch by saving this project. Save. Let's, okay, save point to point. For example, I'm naming it point to point. Save point to point. Save. Okay. Project is saved. You can close this. You can close this and just open it again. Trial Studio. I'm going to my open recent point to point. Yeah, now check. Yeah, that glitch is removed. I'm very happy that these glitches are coming, because I'm able to tell you that how to solve these glitches. So the other settings will be remain same. Video will be the format will be video mp4, frame rate 600, dimensions. You can change the Google Earth logo. Tracking, we are not using it right now. We just have to submit. This is the second, which is point to point. Next is let's see, orbit. Orbit is very good. You can use it for several of your purposes, for showing property. For example, this is Upper Tower, and this is my target. Okay, and I'm going to click on next. It's giving me some things to, like, radius is this, altitude is this, target altitude is this is your target. Here is your target. Like, if I change it, I want the full view of Eiffel Tower, and now play. It's giving me like this kind of motion, the orbit around the property or orbit around the monument, whatever your point of interest is. So you can use this too. Let's move towards the next, which is spiral. In spiral, you will be like, this is your, you will move towards it. I think this will be my target. Click on next. Let's see. You see this. If you are not able to see this, then you can 25 seconds. Then you can change this view from one window to two window from here. You will be able to see this, and keep the view top, so you can see what's actually going on here. It's moving. See that this is your target and this is your camera. So the camera is moving towards the target in a spiral kind of motion. See, it's moving closely to the target, and you will be able to see this kind of motion. Okay, for last I think we fly to and orbit here. This is also very good. For example, in many videos you see it like this. uh, so this is my center target. It will fly from far away, and it will move. It will orbit around the property. Here you can adjust the end altitude, orbit radius, target altitude. So here we see this kind of motion. You can change the duration. Press OK, render. Yeah, I think this is good for now as an introduction video of the Google Earth Studio. In the next video, I will tell you about the tracking points, how to make tracking points, how to add 3D text, and how to make route animations from point to point, from here to here, or how to like manually do all of this. You have to submit and this. And I request you all to subscribe my channel, because this kind of thing, like, it takes a lot of time to make videos like this, then edit them, then upload them. And my channel is not even monetized yet. I just started it, and so I will be needing your support. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video.